Здравствуйте, друзья! Привет! Как дела? Все хорошо? Today we speak about one of the most important words in the entire Russian language. That would be the word можно. Можно. Pronunciation, vowel reduction. As always, look at the last letter. It's O, but it's not stressed, so it would sound as A. Можно. Можно. Why I call it the most important word? Because you can use it in so many situations when you come to Russia. First of all, if you open the door and you ask if you may come in, that's what you say. Можно. Можно. And that's enough. Just one word. Можно. And then да or нет. Or ordering at a restaurant or anywhere else, ordering food. So you would say, may I have a burger? Можно бургер? Можно кофе? And add пожалуйста. Можно кофе, пожалуйста? Можно чай, пожалуйста? Можно пиццу, пожалуйста? So this можно is the number one word for foreigners coming to Russian cafes. Or if you want to borrow something from, I don't know, anyone, like taking a pen from your student partner or something, можно? Yeah, можно ручку? So you see how important this word is. The positive response to it would be да, можно, like yes, you may, but if it's a negative one, it would be нельзя. Нельзя. Я is stressed here, so it would be нельзя. Нельзя. Like no, you may not. Opening the door. Можно? Нельзя. Or borrowing a pen. Можно? Нельзя. Моя ручка. My pen. Да, моя ручка. So, можно и нельзя are two very, very important words in the Russian language. Again, don't forget that my Premium from Zero to Fluency courses are open for you. And if you get the bundle with the community where we can all interact, watch movies together, listen to music, discuss stuff, all together you buy and you will save $50. So right now you can check out the links under this video and please stay with me. A lot more phrases and words are coming in the future. Спасибо и пока-пока.